Question number 7. Find x plus y plus z. In this figure, x and 90 form a linear pair, z and 30 form a linear pair. Then you can write it x plus 90 equal to 180 degree, bracket you can write the reason, linear pair. X is equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Next, z plus 30 equal to 180, z equal to 180 minus 30 equal to 150 degree. Reason you can write it, linear pair. Y is an exterior angle. Exterior angle theorem, the sum of opposite interior angles is equal to an exterior angle. Y equal to opposite interior angles 90 and 30. The sum of 30 plus 90 equal to y. Y equal to 30 degree plus 90 degree, bracket exterior angle theorem. Y equal to 120 degree. We have to calculate x plus y plus z. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to, x is equal to 90 degree, y equal to 120 degree, z equal to 150 degree, equal to 360 degree. Next one, we have to calculate x plus y plus z plus w. X plus 120 equal to 180 degree linear pair, y and 80 form a linear pair, z and 60 form a linear pair. X plus 120 equal to 180 degree linear pair, x is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree, y plus 80 equal to 180 degree linear pair, y equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. Next, z plus 60 equal to 180 degree linear pair, z equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120. Z equal to 120 degree. Next, this angle represent R, W plus R also a linear pair. Before that, this is a quadrilateral. The sum of the four angles, a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, that means R plus 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree equal to 360 degree. Reason, sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. R equal to 360 minus 60 plus 80 140, 140 plus 120 260 equal to 100 degree. R equal to 100 degree. R and W form a linear pair. Therefore, R plus W equal to 180 degree linear pair. $100 plus W 180 degree, W equal to 180 degree minus 100 equal to 80 degree. We have to calculate x plus y plus z plus w. Therefore, x plus y plus Z plus W equal to x equal to 60 degree, y equal to 100 degree, Z equal to 120 degree. Okay, next W equal to 80 degree. 60 plus 100, 160, 160 plus 120, 280, 280 plus 80, 360 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Here example 110 degree x 90 50. Okay. X plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 equal to 360 degree. X plus 90 plus 50 140, 140 plus 110 250 equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree equal to 110 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Using that statement we can find out the value of x. In any polygon the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. X plus 90 plus 50 degree plus 110 equal to 360 degree. Then x plus 250 equal to 360, x equal to 360 minus 250 equal to 110 degree. Measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. In a regular polygon, how can you measure, how can you find out the value measurement of exterior angle? One exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. This is a regular polygon. Measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Here number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of one exterior angle. Okay. For example, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. Here one exterior angle already given that 45 degree. We have to calculate number of sides. How can you calculate the number of sides? Number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle. Number of sides of a polygon, regular polygon this is a regular polygon. Number of sides of a regular polygon equal to 360 degree divided by measure of an exterior angle. Equal to 360 divided by one exterior angle is equal to each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. That means one exterior angle is equal to 45 degree, but 360 divided by one exterior angle. 360 degree divided by 45 degree. 8 sides. Okay, number of sides is equal to 8.